Converting a 2D drawing to a 3D model. Here I have a DWG. Obviously I can create this part from the information that I have on this drawing, but it would take a lot more time and it's more prone to errors, human error, especially me. So there is an importing option with SOLIDWORKS. So I could go over here, I can select my DWG, say open. I can import as a drawing or I can import as a new part, which I want a new part. Here we have some layers that you can select or deselect. So in this case, I don't need most of this. I do need that. I don't need that. I do want the bend lines. And I'll just go in here and turn off as much as I can. Go to the next option. In here, you can actually remove more information that you don't need. So in this case, I could just Windows select over this and say remove entities. And then there I have what I need. I'll go ahead and hit finish. So now I have a sketch I can work with, and I can go into my sheet metal tab and I can create my base feature, which would be a flat pattern. So there's my flat pattern with all the holes, all the cutouts, everything I need. And now I can utilize that sketch again to create some bends. So what I'm going to do here is I'll create a new sketch. I'm going to borrow, oops, not that. I'm going to borrow this line from the existing sketch, and I'm going to utilize that to create a sketched bend feature. Pick my fixed face and it's going to bend at that line. So I can bend up, I can bend down, whatever it may be. You can play around with the other buttons here for the placement of the bend, and there's my first bend. I'll go ahead and do that one more time. I'll start a sketch here, convert this. For this particular one, I'll have to extend these guys out there like so. And then I can go again, sketch bend, pick my fixed face, and there's my bend. And obviously I can do that for all the bends and then get my final product, which would be this part here that you can flatten and unflatten.